Welcome to the world of YouTube, the platform where creativity meets opportunity. Starting a YouTube channel in 2024 is easier than you think. With just a few clicks, you can set up your channel and start sharing your content with the world. This is your guide to get started. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, we've got you covered. We'll walk through each step, from setting up your channel to creating engaging content. You'll be uploading your own videos in no time. Let's get started on this exciting journey. YouTube is a great platform to share your thoughts, ideas, and passions with a global audience. You can also share your creativity with the world, whether it's art, music, tutorials, or vlogs. Millions of people watch YouTube videos every day, making it a powerful tool for reaching a wide audience. Your content could be something they love. Imagine the impact you can make. This guide will help you get started, providing you with all the essential tips and tricks. We will use simple terms and clear instructions to make the process easy to follow. We will explain everything clearly, ensuring you understand each step. You can always refer back to this guide whenever you need a refresher or some inspiration. Use it whenever you need a refresher. Are you ready to embark on this creative adventure? Let's dive in and make your YouTube dreams a reality. First, you need a Google account. This is your key to the YouTube world. If you use Gmail or Google Drive, you already have one. If you don't have a Google account, don't worry. It's very simple to create one. Just go to Google's website and follow the instructions. You'll be asked for some basic information. This includes your name, email address, and a password. Once you have a Google account, you are ready for the next step. It's time to create your very own YouTube channel. It's exciting to think about all the possibilities. Now, let's create your YouTube channel. This is where you'll share your videos with the world. Go to youtube.com and log in with your Google account. Look for the user icon in the top right corner. Click on it. A menu will appear. Select your channel. You'll be prompted to create your channel. Choose a name for your channel. It could be your name or something catchy that reflects your content. Select a good profile picture. It should be something people easily recognize. Congratulations! You have officially created your YouTube channel. Section 4. Making your channel stand out. A visually appealing channel attracts more viewers. Let's customize your channel to make it unique. First, add channel art. This is the big banner image at the top of your channel page. Choose an image that represents your channel's theme. Next, write a compelling About section. This is where you tell viewers who you are and what your channel is about. Be clear, concise, and engaging. Finally, organize your content into playlists. This makes it easy for viewers to find videos on specific topics. Section 5. Your first YouTube video upload. It's time to upload your first YouTube video. This is an exciting milestone in your YouTube journey. This is the moment you've been waiting for. All your hard work and creativity are about to be shared with the world. Click the Create button at the top of the screen. Select Upload Video. This will open the upload interface. Choose your video file from your computer. You can either drag and drop the file or click to select it manually. While your video is uploading, add a title, description, and tags. These elements are crucial for your video's success. These are important for helping people find your video. A well-optimized video can reach a wider audience. The title should be catchy and accurate. It should grab attention and give a clear idea of the content. The description should provide more details about your video. Include key points and any additional information viewers might need. Use relevant keywords in both your title and description. This helps improve your video's searchability. Tags are specific words or phrases that describe your video's content. They help YouTube understand what your video is about. Add a few relevant tags to help YouTube categorize your video. This can significantly boost your video's visibility. Section 6. Essential settings for your new channel. In this section, we will guide you through the crucial settings you need to configure before making your video live. Before you publish your video, let's look at some essential settings. These settings are vital to ensure your video reaches the right audience and appears exactly how you want it to on YouTube. These settings control who can see your video and how it appears on YouTube. They are the backbone of your video's visibility and accessibility. First, set the privacy setting for your video. This is a crucial step in managing who gets to view your content. You can choose to make it public, private, or unlisted. Each option has its own advantages depending on your needs. A public video can be seen by anyone. This is the best option if you want to reach a wide audience. A private video can only be seen by people you choose. This is ideal for sharing personal content with a select group. An unlisted video can be seen by anyone with the link. This is useful for sharing content without making it publicly searchable. Next, choose a thumbnail image for your video. The thumbnail is the first impression viewers get of your video. This is the image that people see when they browse YouTube. A compelling thumbnail can significantly increase your video's click-through rate. A good thumbnail can make your video stand out and attract more clicks. It should be clear, engaging, and relevant to your content. Finally, review your video settings and click Publish when you're ready. Make sure everything is set up correctly to avoid any issues later. You've just uploaded your first YouTube video. Congratulations on taking this important step in your YouTube journey. Now, it's time to share your content with the world and start building your audience.